gun drill, you're going through here. He has a card slot here. His card position is just stuck in your slot. Go through here. After passing this height through, you lock him up. Use this to lock. After locking, we will change the angle according to this instruction manual. This is one axis. We divide this into an axis. This is two axes. This is a three axis. Just these three angles. Our first step is to follow his instructions. The first step is to release this. Adjust this to the angle you want. This angle can be replaced at will. After the positioning number, you lock it. This is a 2-axis. This is a 2-axis. Adjust it down to the desired angle. This is 5 degrees. There are scales on the angle plate. One of the axes. This is a positive angle. This is a negative angle. This is negative. This second one. This is positive. This is positive. This way is negative. This is negative. Third axis. This is positive. This is negative. After you get the angle right. That's the first step. After getting ready, you use this to attack. Usually use this grinding wheel. Resin grinding wheel. Just enter the knife. Move left and right on here. This is grinding the first corner. After grinding, you grind the second corner. According to him, this one on top is a 30 厘米 That's the first step. Part 2, Part 3, Part 4, Part 5, Part 6. Just slowly arrange these angles. Now is the second one. The second step is 20 degrees here. This place should also be enlarged. Increase to 20 degrees. This is still 5 degrees. Same thing. Watch the drill point. After the first and second steps are done, just follow that instruction manual and continue to do it. Put that drill point, get that edge all done. Just do it in that order.